As we know, it is the reality test of international language testing system powered by IDB to assess the level of students. My name is Deepak and I am taking the interview of candidate number 916, Jyoti Balya. Okay, shall we start?
Yes.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Jyoti Balya. I'm from Balachor. Balachor comes under district Shahid Bhagat Singh Nagar, Punjab. And Punjab is the northern part of India. I have done my, if I talk about my studies, I have done my post-graduation in MBA and in a major in human resource management and information technology. If I talk about my my family, we are having 6 members: my mother, my father, 2 young brother, and a sister, and including me. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like to play football and listen to music, and also like to play badminton game.
Let's talk about your hometown. Do you like your hometown?
Yes, I like my hometown very much because there are lots of facilities in my hometown, like hospital facilities, education institutes, recreation parks, and also the fine roads.
Do you want to change something in your hometown?
Well, there are all of the facilities in my hometown, but if I thought about to change anything in my hometown, that is the drainage system, which is not pretty much good. So this is the change I want to do.
Let's talk about science. Do you like science?
Well, yes, I like science, but in subjects. But not that.
Do you enjoy learning science in your secondary school?
Well, definitely when I was in my secondary school, that time I really enjoyed the science subjects.
Do you think it is important to study science?
Definitely, it is really good to learn science because this is the basically the whole environment or atmosphere is naturally based on the science theories and logics.
What kind of science did you learn at school?
Well, in my schools, I learned the subject science. In science, there are lots of theories, practicals available at that time, and also the astrology, and that's all.
Do you think learning science is an important part of our life?
Definitely, it is a really important part of our life because science is everywhere. So this is really important to learn how to.
Okay. Which type of fields or subjects are more important than science?
This is the modern era. There are lots of subjects which are really learned, like computer sciences also, mathematics, accounts, and the other advanced. If I talk about the advanced fields like photography.
This is the end of part 1. Now let's move to part 2. Here is a card with some questions on it. You have 1 minute to prepare this card, and after that you have to speak for 2 minutes about this. Okay, you can also make notes. start if you are prepared.
Well, it is quite good when we are doing anything in a team or a group. Here I would like to talk about a work which was done in my college. I recall my memory last 2 years ago when I was in my college. There are lots of activities and works allotted to us by our teachers, and I really recognize that a particular time when our teacher gave us a group assignment, and that is based on human resource management, and the topic of the assignment is employer salaries. And they provide us a group, and we are 6 members in our group. Choose the different topics and about the employment salaries that on that topic, and then we collected the data from internet and our books, and also consulted with our teachers, and then we utilized the all work, and then we completed the assignment in a week, and before the deadline gave us our teacher. And they provided us also to show that the assignment in a class and by the projector, and then after we completed that assignment I remember that the 21st of October, the real date of that particular assignment, when we provide to the two in front of the other students. Then the assignment was really good, and every teacher complimented us, and we are the second. We got the second position in that assignment, and it was really good for us to learn something new, different skills and teamwork, and we enjoyed that a lot that time. And also we are really good bond with each other.
This is the end of your part 2. Please pass me the question booklet. Thank you so much. Let's move to the part 3 and talk about team activities. Are team activities popular in your community?
Could you please repeat?
Yes. Are team activities popular in your country?
Yes, there are many fields where team activities are really popular, like in MNCs, companies, or also in the schools. They also provided the activities to the students, and as a team members, team working to learn new things like discipline and cooperation with among the other team members, and also boost up their confidence level. And if I talk about
what kind of qualities can you learn in a team?
There are different types of qualities learned from the team or a group, like confidence level, good relationship with the team members, and also we improve our weakness. And
do you think team leaders are important?
Yes, definitely. Team leaders are really important because they manage the team, and they provide the good direction toward their team, and maintain the decorum in the particular group.
Why do companies practice team activities?
Companies do practice activities in their organizations because they want to enhance their enhance their company's level and also boost up the confidence level among their employers, and also they generate new ideas and getting the ideas from the individuals, and so I think these kinds of practices they provide to their employees in a company.
Okay, Jyoti, this is the end of your speaking. Thank you so much for
Thank you so much, sir. Nice to